So we're back at the baler. I've been fighting this roller for a while, and today I'm finally going to get this thing fixed. So I'm down in my shop working on this roller. Okay, so this is a roller. This is not what you want to do. Actually, the punch slipped and I smacked that, but this still rolls very easily. This is not messing it up, so I'm lucky there. You don't want to hit it. And I messed that up, and I realized that a little bit too late. But so what I had to do is actually, the old one disintegrated, busted out, and I'll show you guys pictures of that. But it left this outer ring fused to my roller there. And what I had to do was take this burr and actually file back that portion. So now I am pecking it back in. What I am actually doing is taking the old ring, lining it up, pecking with a hammer like you should, and I'm almost to where the point where it's supposed to be set. So it's a little tried and true action, but we're getting there. Okay, I got the roller set. So all I need to do is get this bar back into place, pound it through the other side, and measure it out so there's equal distance on both sides, and we're ready to go. Okay, I got this fixed, got the bar back through, and I'll file this down, but really it's not gonna mess with anything. It's actually smoothed off. But yeah, there we go. And I'll put this back on our round baler and we're good to go. And I'll show you the whole video of me hoisting it up there and bolting it in and everything like that. All right, so I'm out here and I'm gonna get the roller back up all the way up here. I'm gonna do that with some ratchet straps that I'm about to show you. There we go. So these two straps coming across. What I'm gonna do is place my roller in the straps and then from side to side, work it its way up, okay? Now I forgot to bring the tripod out, so it's gonna be a little bit of hand-holding camera work, but that's just the way it's gonna be today. Well, once I'm up there, I'll take another ratchet strap and put it around the top bar and actually will hold it in place so I can work my bolts in and get it tightened up and get the tension on and get it torqued. And that's pretty much all I need to do. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, and you can see I got it in here. And you see it's angled because this is how I got it out. I just left the straps at the same distance. Now I'm going to get the ladder and I'll start cranking the straps up and get it into place way up top there. Okay. Almost forgot before I start, and yeah, they got a little rust on them, but perfectly fine. You got to put your spacers on. Now your spacers will go right here, and the same on the other side. So I'm just gonna lean this right quick. Boom. And that's all you got to do. Put your spacers on. All right, now that that's nice and shiny again, I'm gonna start cranking her up and get her to the top. Also I want to mention safety first. Make sure your lock is in place. That way your gate doesn't come down on you. Okay, I want to show you where I'm at right now. See, this is how far I have it cranked up. And hold on. There we go. All right, and I need to line it up the bar hole with that hole right there. So I got a little bit more to go. Okay, now I'm at the point where I'm going to actually add the third strap because it's going to come all the way around, and that's really going to bring it up and hold it in place. Okay, I have the third strap on here, and so I'm just going to keep working it until it lines up with that bolt hole right there, and same on this other side. Okay, I got it pretty much up here. All right, got it lined up, got the first bolt started, so I'm just going to tighten it, not super tight, just enough to get it aligned, and then I'm going to get the other side. All right, got that bolt in, so I'm going to take my straps off now. Well, actually, what I'm going to do is torque it first and then take my straps off. All right, I got it torqued. It's supposed to be, what was it, 350 pounds dry. So I'm actually going to get my newer torque wrench and recheck it off the old, but this is good, and at least good enough for a test run. I'm going to hook the tractor up to it and give her a go. All right, rollers are set, tractor's hooked up. We're going to do a test. I had to adjust these a little bit because my belts are sliding, and actually I need to look up what exactly the spacing should be. I know if you move this up, your belts will come back this way. If you move the other side up, your belts will go back that way. My issue now is these two belts, they're going this way. They're going both directions. So I don't know exactly what the deal is. Maybe it's a wear and tear. I might need new belts. But I also flipped this side from facing out to facing inward, and that should work. This belt, which I've had, this is how I knew there was a problem originally, it should work back inside. And there we go. All right, see what I mean? Those two are kind of working inward, but they spread out. So right now I gotta figure that out, but as of right now, this keeps working back and forth, which is what I want. So yeah, that's it. That's that problem fixed. I can use this baler now. I am gonna figure out what I need to adjust for the belt on the bottom here, and see what is making it track going both directions. And then maybe I need to adjust that bottom bar up and down a little bit more and figure that out. But I'll give a John Deere a call and see what they say. But that is a task that is done, and now I can use the round baler again and save me some time from having to throw square bales. And if you like to see what we're doing here on Graystone Acres, please like and subscribe. Please share. It helps more than you know. And then if you are in North Central West Virginia, Marion, Harrison, Mon County, check us out, GraysstoneAcres.com. I'm glad you did. Well, yeah, pasture-raised chicken, non-GMO feed, grass-fed, grass-finished, pasture-raised beef. Check us out, guys. Thank you.